Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing. We're out today. We're doing the front of this roof for our blue-green algae. It's very unusual because it's 10 o'clock and look at how it's in the sun. The way the sun's going to go today, it's going to stay in the sun, which is very unusual. Typically we see blue-green algae in shaded areas, north side, things like that, but this is in full sun. There's no trees around it. There never has been. That one tree's not even hardly as big as the house. So it's very unusual to see blue-green algae like this. But once we kill it, this will last forever because it's not going to come back fast, and it's not going to come back because of, I don't know why. It's weird, but we're going to hit it, and we're going to take care of it. They'll get a 5-year warranty on it, and they're good. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing. Okay, this has got our first treatment on it, and a lot of it's already turning brown. I see a couple of little hashtags going up this way. This is going to probably need another hit. A little bit right here, a little bit right there. It's still, now this on this side has just been put down. It's disappearing. It's disappearing quickly, but looks like I needed to change my bucket when this area right up here, it was a little weak there. And then this is another fresh bucket. So probably I was spraying more water than chemical up here, and down here from here down, it was fresh chems. This is all fresh SH, 12.5%, just picked up today. So it should be, and it's X-jetted, so off of a 6-gallon-a-minute machine. So because we got the time, and this is the only thing we're sent out to do for this particular day, we're gonna let it sit. I'm gonna make sure everything that's brown is brown, and anything that's black is hit again, and make sure, even if I have to stay, wait for it to dry, better to do that than to make a trip back for a touch-up, if possible. Dang. Next time we get a rain, this all rinse down, and cool part about it is, though, I can tell it's pretty strong because this gutter right here goes down to the concrete, and see how it's black right there? This whole area was black from runoff. This area is cleaned from that roof mix. So that roof, and also I can see the brown blue-green algae coming off the roof into the gutter. So it's doing its job. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, doing a roof. And here we go, we're doing a touch-up. This is our second coat on it. And as you can see, Frank's concentrating on the very top with our X-jet, hitting the very top where that ridge cap is to make sure it's totally dead. Anything that's brown, the old saying is, if it's brown, it's coming down. If it's black, you're coming back. So we're gonna actually wait to make sure it's not black and it is brown. Next rain, it's going, all the soap, all the salt and everything's gonna rinse right off, and this is gonna look like a new penny. So that's kind of where we're at. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing, roof cleaning. Have fun.